Have you ever wondered how real estate investors find below-market deals? A key strategy is knowing how to work with real estate agents. Let's dive into understanding their roles. First up, we have buyer's agents. These professionals are your champions in the real estate arena. They represent you, the buyer, in a real estate transaction, guiding you to find properties, negotiate deals, and navigate the often complex buying process. Then there are listing agents. These agents work on behalf of sellers to market and sell properties. While their primary loyalty is to the seller, they can still be a valuable resource for buyers. They have a deep knowledge of the property they're selling and can provide insights that might not be readily available elsewhere. Whether it's a buyer's agent or a listing agent, these professionals can be pivotal in helping you find those elusive below-market deals. So understanding the role of real estate agents is your first step in finding below-market deals. Once you understand the role of agents, the next step is selecting the right one for your investment goals. The right agent can be your key to unlocking the world of below-market deals. Here are some factors to consider. First, look for agents with experience in investment properties. They should understand the metrics and trends that matter to real estate investors. Second, you'll want an agent who knows the local market like the back of their hand. They should be familiar with the neighborhoods where you're looking to invest. Next, consider their connections and network. An agent with a robust network can sometimes provide access to off-market or pre-market opportunities. Then, review their track record. Look at client testimonials and previous deals to gauge their effectiveness. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of communication. An agent who listens to your investment goals, communicates clearly, and responds promptly can make your investment journey smooth and profitable. Choosing the right agent is a crucial step in your journey to finding below-market deals. With the right agent on your team, it's time to clearly communicate your investment goals. Being transparent is the cornerstone of a successful partnership. Share your financial targets, including your budget, preferred property types, and the returns you're aiming for. The more specific you are, the better your agent can tailor their search. Next, define your criteria. Are you interested in properties of a certain size or condition? Is location a key factor for you? Do you see potential for value appreciation? These details can guide your agent's efforts. It's also crucial to discuss your investment strategy. Whether you're into fix and flip, buy and hold, or other approaches, your agent needs to understand your game plan to effectively assist you. Lastly, don't shy away from emphasizing your interest in below-market deals. Whether it's distressed properties or off-market opportunities, make it clear that these are your primary targets. Clear communication with your agent sets the stage for finding those coveted below-market deals. Now, let's delve into specific strategies for finding below-market deals. First, look for off-market opportunities. These are properties that aren't publicly listed for sale but may be available for purchase. Your agent can tap into their network to find these hidden gems. Next, consider distressed properties. These are homes in need of repair or owned by someone in financial strain. They often sell for less than market value, offering a great investment opportunity. Expired listings can also be a goldmine. These are properties that failed to sell during their contract period, and the owners may be more motivated to negotiate. Don't overlook auctions and probate sales either. These can sometimes offer properties below market value. Always be sure to do your due diligence before bidding. Finally, leverage your agent's network. They can connect you with wholesalers, property managers, and other professionals who may have insights into below-market deals. These strategies can significantly increase your chances of finding below-market deals. Finally, knowing how to negotiate with your agent can help you secure the best deals. A crucial part of this negotiation is understanding commissions. Typically, real estate commissions are split between the buyers and sellers' agents. In the case of below-market deals, you might wonder how this affects your agent's earnings. Be upfront about your expectations. Discuss how the commission structure will work and whether there's any flexibility. Now let's talk about incentives. Consider offering performance incentives to your agent. This could be a bonus for finding a certain number of below-market deals or securing a deal within a specific price range. Incentives can motivate your agent to work harder on your behalf, potentially leading to more lucrative deals. Remember, your agent is your partner in this venture. Work together, negotiate effectively, and you'll both reap the rewards. Negotiating effectively with your agent can pave the way to securing those lucrative below-market deals.